Just a quick video, we had some minor water damage come through from a crack in the roof. While we fixed the roof issue, we still had some stain come through, so we're going to take this and touch it up. So first things first, we're going to use some tape to cordon off the area, spray it, then remove the tape. Alright, with me standing on my piano and my ladder, we've got our tape in place. We're going to spray it with our cover in nice even coats, let it dry, and then pull the tape. Now, if you're a bit of a mess up like me and didn't quite get it as even coated as you wanted, you can actually use a normal paintbrush to even it out a little bit. It's not perfect, but it's definitely going to pass the 5-foot rule. You won't be able to tell it's there unless you get right up on it whenever it's dry. But we're going to double check to make sure that's actually the case whenever it is dry. And we're either going to give it another coat or pull off this tape and see final results. This stuff claims it's good for water stains and will be resistant if you ever have any of those types of issues again in the future. Here's hoping it's correct. Alright, and this is what it looks like after it's all dried and the tape's been removed and it's had a couple of weeks. There's still a little bit of issue there, but overall it's 100% better, and you can't really tell it's there unless you're looking for it. So I'll call this a success.